There are a ton of fall designs that can do extremely well, and with the power of Remix, you're able to remix these designs to actually focus on different type of product categories that can sell extremely well. And in today's video, I'll share with you how easy it is for you to grab a top selling t-shirt design like this one here and remix it into another top trending design you can start selling on Etsy. And these designs are doing extremely well, with this product selling 74 times just in the last 30 days, with 9 people already bought it in the last 24 hours. And with the power of AI designs plus print on demand, this is going to be extremely easy for us to sell high quality products on Etsy just by clicking a few buttons. I'm going to share this all with you coming up next. So fall season is definitely going to be a top trend for designs, but we definitely want to land a plane on which designs are selling well. So I like to see which ones have a popular now or bestsellers badge. But again, we can find all of these designs, but the next step to create them can sometimes be a struggle. So we're definitely going to utilize some AI tools to help us create our designs and blend this in with print on demand, which is going to be a perfect combination to sell these type of products. Now, the main platform we're going to use to sell our print on demand products is Printify. Printify is my main place to sell all of my print on demand products, as they make it really easy for you to create and sell different type of items on Etsy, where you simply focus on creating high quality designs, listing them well, and Printify will take care of all the printing and shipping for you. With the large category of print on demand products, you can see how easy it is to tap into a winning product category and definitely follow these top trends to start merging in your own designs. So today we're definitely going to focus on creating one of these t-shirt designs that we see here, but most importantly, we definitely want to focus on one that is going to help us sell well. The Bella Canvas 3001 series has always been a popular product to sell, and to make it easy for us, we're definitely going to focus on the DTG and Printify choice, but they also do embroidery as well. For our video today, we just stick with DTG. We're going to choose Printify choice, which is going to give us the best product with the best provider here, and we'll start designing. And so we definitely want to make sure that we fill our canvas with a popular design style, and following these top trending designs is going to help us get a good start. So if you do want to get started with Printify on your own, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. You can get started absolutely for free to get access to all of their products to start creating. But if you are further along in your business and you want to get a discount on all products sold, you can head over to Printify Premium and you'll let my code down below, as you can get 30 days absolutely for free for Printify Premium. Again, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. Now, with that being said, we're definitely going to utilize one of my AI tools called Creative Prompt AI to help us create these AI designs. Again, this is a product within inside of my membership community. This is going to make it really easy for us to create these top trending designs. And the cool part about this is that we can utilize any mock-up image as our template, upload it here, and it'll give us a creative prompt we can use to remix the design further. So with that being said, we're going to head over to this top trending product here. And again, our goal here is not to copy this, but definitely utilize this as a starting place for us to go ahead and remix. I'm going to go ahead and copy this mock-up image, as that's going to be the only thing I need to actually create this prompt. I want to head over here to the AI generator. I want to go to upload image. I want to upload the t-shirt that we grabbed over from Etsy. And when I hit description, now they're going to give me a very complex and creative prompt I can use for my Etsy designs. Now, we're not going to keep this image as it is here, but we're definitely going to remix this so that we can have a unique design style more tied into our theming here. But again, we're just going to utilize this image as a template to create further. So with that being said, we have a very complex prompt picking up all of the text as well as the design themes. If I go ahead and generate design, we can see that we have a very creative and unique style following that same theme we found. But again, we're not going to leave this as it is. We're definitely going to change this up. And a very easy place for us to change up this design to make it our own is head down to the bottom button where it says remix prompt and generate a new image. This is exactly what we want to do, because we want to create a new design theme with a new niche focus, but still following the same design style. So that being said, I want to go ahead and remix this prompt. And now I have the option to remix the original prompt just with a couple of words. I like to actually put in some conversational language just to make it easy for me to create this prompt. So that being said, I'll simply use my mic to talk into my computer so that I can create a new prompt from this design. Keep the same style of this image, but I want this to be focused on a Christmas theme. I want the same type of grid layout. Put this on a white background. So that's all we're going to do here. Simply talk in a conversational language to make the change for our remix design. From here, we're going to hit apply remix. And as you can see on the bottom here, it's going to change everything from the original prompt to apply our remix in. And notice how we no longer have the Halloween theme, but we do have the Christmas theme. We still have that type of vintage cartoon style, and we have that grid layout with bringing in different type of Christmas features. Now notice here how we didn't necessarily say add a reindeer or add in a Christmas tree. It just knew exactly the Christmas themes that we can add into our design. We kept the same style, and we definitely have a very complex prompt, quite different from what we started off with, and therefore we're going to get a totally new image based upon our remix. With that being said, we're going to hit generate a new image from remix, and this is what we were able to gather as a result. And I think as a first step, that came out extremely well. Now we can go further and add in some more remix to this, or add in some more text to this if you wanted to, but just as a first step, I think this came out extremely well. Definitely could be a product we can start selling in preparation for Christmas time, and really this theme could be transferable into other different niches that could sell also. Here's one that I remixed that I thought came out extremely well. Again, still taking the same type of design style here, but bringing in a more consistent pattern with all of our elements here, which I think came out extremely well. If everything is good here, I can go ahead and hit download this design, and then we're going to upscale this and place this on our print on demand t-shirt. So now that I have my design made, I want to head over to Canva, as this is going to be the place I set up my canvas. Again, we have to remember that the shirt size that we're going to use is going to be exactly what Printify gave us, which is 3951 by 4800 pixel. So that's exactly what we're going to put into Canva here. So we added 3951 by 4800 pixel. Again, that's going to create the perfect layout for our on-demand t-shirt that we see we're going to add our design to here. Now, with that being said, I want to drag and drop over my design. Now, as we're here, one of the things I like to do here is just remove the background and upscale the image. So now that we have our design upscaled, we can definitely sell this as it is, but I think we can go a step further and add in personalization to help sell our product even further. So we definitely want to add in a personalized option here. So that being said, I definitely added in some text here, just simply putting in a Merry Christmas here, utilizing a very creative font. So I have that done here. And now at the bottom, we're going to add in a placeholder for a family's name. So we just simply put Johnson family. And if we really want to go even further, we can put the date down here if you want to, 2025. We can make this a little bit smaller or just change the overall text. But I just think for an example that could come out extremely well. So essentially what we did here, we were able to find a top trending design within the Halloween niche, but with AI was able to remix that into a Christmas design theme, but add in more features, add in more variables like personalization and text, which can make our product stand out even more. Again, we know this type of design theme is doing well, and we also know personalization is always going to do well around this particular season. So everything is done here to move this over into Printify. So that being said, I want to go ahead and download this as a PNG with a transparent background and have this be ready to go to upload to Printify. So now that we're back in Printify here, I want to go ahead and drag and drop my design over into our open space here. And now we have our design with our t-shirt. And as you can see, that was placed on our t-shirt perfectly. Again, we have the Merry Christmas at the top with this type of grid stamp theme with the designs, and then just putting the Johnson family and then the date 2025 just as a placeholder example. Again, everything is done here. You can see we have a very good DPI quality here, which means we have a very sharp and crisp print when this is printed out. Again, we can change the color variations here, but I think this is well just to sell on a white t-shirt. We can see exactly how this looks, and I think that came out extremely well. Again, we can utilize some mock-ups from Etsy to make this stand out even more, but as you can see, just as an example, that came out extremely well in regards to what we began with, which was this top trending design right here. But again, utilizing the AI tools that we use to help us create outstanding products, we were able to get the prompt and then remix this further to get this design theme. We were able to add in personalization and land the plane on this type of product here, and I think this could do extremely well. Now, this is just an example of what you can do when you find top trending products and utilize AI and print on demand. But as you can see, we were able to create this in no time, and this could definitely be a winning product when selling on Etsy. Now, if you want to get started with Printify on your own to actually get access to all of these products, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And if you want to get access to my creative prompt tool, where we have a ton of design templates, as well as our niche finder to help you find top niches to sell on Etsy, and a ton of more AI products to help you get the perfect Etsy SEO, I will make sure I leave all of the details down in my description box below as well. Check out this next video here where I share with you how to actually upload this product to your Etsy business so that you can start selling these print-on-demand products online today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to learn more about how to make print-on-demand products. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.